Good morning, everyone. So today I'm performing a tummy tuck with liposuction of the Mons and a pubic lift. And my patient today has lost a lot of weight, over 50 pounds, which has resulted in a lot of excess skin of her abdomen, as well as loosening of her abdominal wall. She also has excess skin and fat of the Mons. So the surgery today will remove and tighten excess abdominal skin, tighten her abdominal wall and flatten it, and also remove excess fat from her Mons and reduce and tighten excess pubic skin. I've placed numbing medicine in the abdomen and her Mons, and now I'm going to start with liposuction of the Mons in order to thin this area so it'll be nice and flat. I've removed about 150 cc's from her Mons, and you can see now it's nice and flat. And I delineated a low tummy tuck incision that's going to be hidden underneath her underwear crease. And I think this beautiful natural curved line looks the most natural when it comes to tummy tuck incision. So I've elevated all the tissues off her abdominal wall, and you can see there's been little to no bleeding. And a lot of you have asked about the belly button. So the belly button is connected to the abdominal wall like a stalk, so it always stays in the same place. The flap is just going to get pulled up and over. See it? So I've carefully measured how much abdominal wall tightening I can perform. And for her, it measures about 4.5 centimeters. So you can see when I take the edges of her muscle and bring it together, how flat and tight that is. So I've completed the first layer of muscle tightening, and look how perfect and even and flat that looks. And now I'm placing a second layer to reinforce it. So perfect double layer muscle tightening. You can see how beautiful and flat and even this is. And some people just put a few tacking sutures, but it doesn't have a lot of strength, and also it bunches the muscle unevenly. And now I'm placing long-acting numbing medicine underneath my muscle repair. So my patient will have little to no post-op pain, and I'm very, very gentle when I do the plication, so my patients have a quick and easy recovery and don't require prescription pain medication. And next I'm performing the pubic lift to elevate the Mons and tighten it. Okay, so now I've removed a flap, and I'm going to measure and weigh it. Okay, so 3 rulers. I have 1, 2, so 14 inches, which is equivalent to 35 centimeters. Okay, and it's quite heavy. The flap measures 6 pounds and 3 ounces, which is equivalent to 2.8 kilograms, so almost 3 kilograms. So I delineated the lateral border of her ab muscles, and now I'm going to place 2 rows of tacking sutures to secure the flap and give the appearance of abs. So just putting the finishing touches on the incision. Look how beautiful and thin it is. You can see the beautiful abdominal contouring in the belly button. And the incision, when it heals, will be a fairly visible line. So I just want to show the final result. Beautiful, flat, and contoured abdomen. Look how thin and even the incision line is. Okay, and this, just wanted to compare it with the before.